Hi everyone, right now we are going to unbox the 12-in-1 USB-C charging station from MDOUREO, which has 8 USB-C ports and also 4 USB-A ports. And it's fast charging, and there are ports that are 65 watts, and it's a total of 500 watts altogether. And here it has a short circuit protection, over temperature protection, over voltage protection, and also over current protection. So it's an all-in-one port. So let's see what it actually looks like. So unboxing this for the first time. So we have the cord, put it here, charging block right there. So MDOUREO. Okay. So it has a lifetime warranty card. I like that. Let's put it here. And it looks like this. Very sleek in design. And yes, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 USB C ports, and then 4 USB-A ports. All right. And if you can see, there's like a sign that says laptop on the top. I think those are the ports that you could have the 65 watts charging. Okay. And here is the port for the cord. So let's hook it up. Now this is how it currently looks like. So it's charging our MacBook and our iWatch and also a mouse. So I'm currently timing how long it took to charge at least the MacBook, because the iWatch, it wasn't like 0%, but I'll be interested to know, like, with the other devices, how long it will, charge the MacBook, especially down at 0, right? We'll see. So after 30 minutes of charging, it charged up to 34%, though that's good. After it's charging with other products like our mouse and the iWatch. So overall, we recommend this product. We like it very much, and it fits well with our workspace.